Control panel gives you quick access to options and commands related to the current page item or objects. By default, the control panel is docked at the top of the screen. However, you can undock it and move it where you like. Scroll to center the spread in the document. Choose View, Screen Mode, Normal, so you can see the frames that contain graphics and text. With the Selection tool, click the text Just Hum Along at the top of the right-facing page. The control panel now provides options for controlling the position, size, and other attributes of the selected object. In the control panel, click the X, Y, W, H arrows to see how you can reposition the selected text frame and change its dimensions. Using the Type tool, select the text Just Hum Along. The control panel now provides options for controlling paragraph and formatting. Click the pasteboard to deselect the text. Now choose View, Screen Mode, Preview to hide the frame edges again. The control panel can be moved if you don't like it at the top of the document window. In the control panel, drag the vertical dotted bar at the left into the document window. Release the mouse button to make the panel float. The control panel can be docked at either the top or bottom of the workspace. To dock the control panel again, drag the vertical bar on the left side back to the top of the window just beneath the application bar. A blue line indicates where the panel is going to be docked when you release the mouse button.